Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to cancel or direct debit in Starling Bank. So if you no longer want a company to collect payments from your account, then just follow along. First, open the Starling Bank app and sign in. Then tap on your personal or business account. Next, tap Payments or Manage depending on your app version. Then select Direct Debits to view all your active direct debits. Then tap the direct debit you want to cancel and review the payment details. Then tap Cancel Direct Debit. Then confirm your choice when prompted. Once cancelled, the company won't be able to collect future payments using that direct debit. And if you're cancelling a subscription or a service, then it's also a good idea to contact the company directly to make sure your agreement has been cancelled. So that was how to cancel a direct debit in Starling Bank. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.